Myself, Dr. Harpreet Kaur, Associate Professor in Commerce. Dear students, I extend a warm welcome to you all on joining Bachelor of Commerce BCom course in the Department of Distance Education, Punjabi University, Patiala. The present video is for first semester students and I will share with you overview of the third paper, that is financial accounting. We have already uploaded the syllabus and online study material of all the papers on the department's website. You can download this material and go through all the chapters in detail and also prepare a list of queries from that. During the PCP classes, you can discuss your problems with your subject teachers. Now coming to the syllabus. Syllabus of financial accounting is divided into two sections. Unit 1 covers meaning, scope, importance and branches of accounting. As we all know that during the past few decades, business has witnessed a sea change from small business to big business houses, and due to this growth, the number of transactions has increased manifold. Now, proper books of accounts maintenance is very important for every businessman. Accounting is a process of identifying, measuring, summarizing, analyzing and reporting of financial information. There are two basic objectives of accounting. First is to keep a systematic record of business transactions which take place in the business. Second one is to ascertain profit or loss earned by a business in a particular year, and also to report about the financial health of a business through balance sheet. In order to make financial statements more meaningful, comparable, reliable and unbiased, a uniform system of accounting based on generally accepted accounting principles is followed. These principles are: first is business entity concept, money measurement concept, accounting period concept, cost concept, dual aspect concept, matching concept and accrual concept. Some conventions which are based on customs and practices are also being followed in accounting. These conventions are materiality, consistency, conservatism and full disclosure. Our next topic is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an art of recording business transactions in a systematic way. The transactions are recorded in a chronological order in the books of original entry, which is known as journal. We follow the rules of double entry system while recording the transactions in journal. In this system, we divide the accounts in three categories and follow specific rules for recording entries under each type of account. We have personal, real and nominal accounts for this purpose. After the recording of transactions in journal, we post these entries in ledger in a proper format. Ledger is a final book which contains a classified and permanent record of all the transactions of the business. It also gives us information regarding the status of any account on a particular date. Next, we will teach you subsidiary books or sub-journal, the quick and efficient system under which transactions of similar nature are recorded in a relevant subsidiary book is the practical system of bookkeeping. Some popular subsidiary books are cash book, purchases return book, sales return book. Then there is a bills receivable book, bills payable book, etc. Now comes trial balance. This is the next topic we will teach you in this section. Trial balance is a summary statement prepared with the balances extracted from the ledger accounts to check the arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts. On the basis of trial balance, final accounts or the financial statements are prepared to fulfill the objectives of accountancy. Two financial statements are prepared. First is trading and profit and loss account, and the second one is balance sheet. Trading and profit and loss account tells us about the profit or loss earned by the firm in a particular period. And balance sheet highlights the financial position of a business on a particular date. Coming to the unit 2 of syllabus, we have capital and revenue items as our next topic. Revenue items are those items whose benefits are consumed in a single year. These items are reoccurring in nature, and the capital items are those items which have long-term benefits like purchasing of fixed assets or raising of a long-term loan. These items has a long-term impact on the balance sheet of the firm. Both of these items are treated in different ways in the books of accounts. Revenue items are shown in the profit and loss account, and capital items are shown in the balance sheet of the business. Next chapter is depreciation. Depreciation means permanent decrease in the value of the asset due to use or wear and tear or lapse of the time. It is treated as an revenue expenditure and charged to net profit of the particular year. In this chapter, we will also study various methods for charging depreciation to fixed assets. Now coming to partnership. When two or more persons come together for business purpose and agrees to share their profits in a particular ratio, it is known as partnership business, and we need to prepare books of accounts and financial statements for such businesses also. Here we will also discuss the accounting treatment of capital accounts, when admission of some partner is there in the partnership business, and also when the retirement or death of any partner takes place in a partnership firm. Accounting entries to be made at the time of dissolution of partnership, amalgamation of firm, and sale of a firm also forms very important part of this chapter. Now coming to the evaluation part. This paper is of total 100 marks, and these 100 marks are divided into two parts. First is your internal assessment, which is for 30 marks, and second one is your external paper, which is of 70 marks. Internal assessment will be sent by the department on the basis of your assignments, and the external paper will be taken by university at the centralized level. Thank you.